He's able. I just got one word for you. Listen. He's able. I wish I had a church in here. Lift those hands and sing, God is able. God is able to do just what he said. Just what he said he would do. And he's gonna fulfill every promise. Listen, tell somebody, don't give up on God. Because he won't give up on you. He's able. Take somebody and tell him he's able. Say it. You know it now. I want you on your feet and sing it with me.